Feeling buried under a mountain of tasks and drowning in disconnected apps? Well, get ready to transform chaos into clarity because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Clockify with your other favorite apps, unlocking seamless workflow automation. First, let's hop into Clockify. Make sure you're logged into your account. Navigate to the left-hand menu and find the Integrations option. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a whole list of apps ready to connect. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find the app you're looking for. Let's say you want to connect to a project management tool like Asana. Type Asana into the search bar. The Asana integration card will appear. Click the Connect button. You might be prompted to log into your Asana account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Clockify access to your Asana data. Once connected, you can usually customize the integration settings. This might involve choosing which Asana projects to track time for in Clockify, or setting up rules for automatic time entry creation. These settings will vary depending on the specific app you're connecting. Don't forget to save your integration settings. This ensures that Clockify and your other app are communicating correctly. Now, test it out. Create a task in Asana and then start tracking time against it in Clockify. You should see the data synchronizing between the two platforms. And that's it. By connecting Clockify with your other apps, you can streamline your workflows, eliminate manual data entry, and gain valuable insights into your productivity. Start connecting Clockify today and take control of your time.